Hi, welcome to Reduit RUBIS station.
Before the day ever begins, our team is already in motion, preparing, organizing, and getting everything just right. From receiving fuel deliveries to ensuring every detail meets our standards. From keeping our Ruby gas area safe and orderly, to making sure our pumps are clean and ready for every customer. Inside our C-store, shelves are well stocked, our deli is prepped. Every space is set to serve you better. Behind the scenes is teamwork that keeps everything running smoothly, planning, checking, and staying one step ahead.
Because at Reduit RUBIS station, great service doesn't just happen. We prepare for it. Every detail, every shift, every customer. Happy 15th anniversary, RUBIS.